How to change language of Microsoft Edge. In this video I will show you how to change language for this Microsoft Edge browser. So first of all, open your Microsoft browser and you will see the interface of this browser. So on the right upper corner you will see three dots. By the pressing Alt F you can also open, and then you have to scroll little bit down till you see the setting and the gear icon. Now here you will see in the left side corner languages, and in the languages just you will see the bar. Just scroll up and you will see add languages. Now let's suppose I need Arabic language, so if I click on that and I will click on add, and then you will see we have added here the language, but still our language is English. So if you see the three dots again, click on that and then click on display Microsoft Edge in this language. So if you click on that, and then you will get the option to restart, and if we restart the Microsoft, you will see language has been changed. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel Dr. Mobo.